Hey, first grade, let's read a story. This story is called A Second is a Hiccup, a child's book of time. How long is a second? A second is a hiccup, the time it takes to kiss your mom, or jump a rope, or turn around. How long is a minute? 60 seconds to a minute. 60 hiccups, 60 hops. Or if you sing just one small song, chorus, verses, not too long. That's just enough to fill a minute. How long is an hour? 60 minutes singing by if you build a sandy tower. Run right through a sprinkly shower. Climb a tree and smell a flower. Pretend you have a secret power. That should nicely fill an hour. How long is a day? 24 hours by the clock. Starting when the sun comes up, a day needs filling like a cup. Hiccups, kisses, songs and showers, lots of trees and lots of flowers. Breakfast, lunch and snack and dinner, play some games and cheer the winner. Draw a picture, read a book, tell a joke and learn to cook. Watch the sunshine fade away, fall asleep and that's a day. How long is a week? 7 days all in a line. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the end day. Saturday, a favorite one. Summer quiet, summer fun. Work days, home days, play days, school days. 7 wake-ups, 7 sleeps. Close your eyes and do not peek, but you never, ever, ever stay asleep for one whole week. How long is a month? 4 weeks add up to form a month. Lots of time for things to change. Seasons often rearrange. Winters melt and warm to springs. Caterpillars find their wings. And if you fall and scrape a shin, in a month there's brand new skin. Learn to tie your laces tight. Learn to float relaxed and light. Learn to count, clean up to 10. Learn to count back down again. Watch the moon grow round and fat, and then again, imagine that, and all of it in 1 month flat. How long is a year? 12 months together make a year, a great big circle spinning round. Climb aboard, you're 1 year bound. You'll go right out of your old shoes, and taller too. Now that's good news. Sunshine, snow, and rain and squall. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Twigs on trees grow leaves and peaches. See how far a whole year reaches. Tiny babies learn to walk. Bigger babies learn to talk. Holidays of every kind linked together in a line. When your birthday's almost here, you are older by a year. Changes come and changes go. Round and round the years you'll grow. Till you're bigger, till you're bolder, till you're ever so much older. And through all the hours and days, as time unfolds in all its ways, you will be loved as surely as a second is a hiccup. Thank you guys for listening. I will see you later.